Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to another video for Advanced in Car. So in today's video we are working on this 2019 VW T6. It's pretty tricked out. It's a Caravelle, so you've got some really nice factory features. Comfort dash, gloss piano inlays and the silver trim, which is nice in here, and you've got the leather door cards. But that's not why we're doing this video. We're doing this video because we have retrofitted what they call HDC, which is basically hill descent control. So the Volkswagen hill descent control is something that talks to other features in the car, like the ABS pump, brakes and other bits and pieces, and we have fitted this lovely new button. So if Sammy can zoom in a little bit on this button, before we started working on this vehicle, it was one of only 3 blanks that weren't fitted in this vehicle. So we haven't had to replace the whole switch panel. We've just popped the new one in, and the new one in then gets wired to the lighting. So for instance, if you turn off your lights like so, then all the lighting will go off. If you put your side lights on or keep it on auto, then these will light up. Now, the hill descent control is basically a driver assistance system that helps maintain a controlled descent when you're on steep inclines. What it does is it automatically regulates the engine speed and applies the brakes as and when it feels it needs to, which basically means it's designed so that the driver can just focus on the driving or the steering without having to worry too much about their brake and acceleration. Well, they won't be accelerating because they're going downhill and they want to control the vehicle, but instead of having their foot on the brake, then what they can do is with the hill descent control system on, and what we do here is I'm just going to press this button for 2 seconds. Up on the instrument cluster, if Sammy can get that and focus in. It's always difficult when you've got lights on a shiny dashboard. But here on the right hand side, we've got a little new green symbol that's lit up. This is slightly different on other models. So the T6 for instance, there it is there on a T6.1. It's generally a little symbol in the virtual cockpit. But there it is, little green light lit up now, which means that this vehicle is activated for hill descent. So if we were to start to go down quite a steep incline, what we can do is we can press the button and the vehicle will automatically slow down and descend down the road or the slope in a controlled manner. And at the same time, this little green light will flash repeatedly to say, I am working and I am in control of your vehicle. But as part of the installation, we've installed some wiring, new button switch, and applied some coding to allow for this. So already pretty tricked out vehicle with adaptive cruise and loads of other features and functions. But now, just to complement all of that, we've now got the hill descent control for this T6. So this lady's going to be chuffed to bits. If you've got a vehicle like this, or if you want any other retrofitted products or parts, get in touch, because there's chances are that we might be able to do it for you. We'll check compatibility with your chassis number and let you know if it's a doable thing. Website link is in the bio, and as usual guys, thank you very much for watching.